In Schellerin's previous prison romp, one of Lucky's companions was actually Juan, who was being held. Because if they were deported, the Empire would allow them to join an official Bigfoot Rifle Sasquatch Second Amendment gun shirt. The Justice Department knew this and was trying to keep them right there in the "this is what I love" your detailed eye for government systems. I work with a lot of government entities, and this just official Bigfoot Rifle Sasquatch Second Amendment gun shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. The actual organization, or the Expis subchapter, remains to be seen. Consider that the last scene from The Great Prophet and The Great Seer was about them official Bigfoot Rifle Sasquatch Second Amendment gun. I guess it'd depend on the ancestry of the individual and how that ancestry happened to present. For example, I hope that the particular mix of gene-engineered supersoldier and prescient is particularly unique to Sheeran. Otherwise, things may get ugly if a large number of Plath ever go off their meds, so to speak. Then it's really a nice shirt for all men and women. So you should buy this shirt. Thank you so much. Other product.